Now, a lot of people are working from home or taking online school from home, and they need Wi-Fi to do so. But when the power cuts out, what do? That's why I have this product for you. This is the OAKTER Mini UPS. Let's roll the intro. So today's intro was a little bit of a different one, but anyway, as I said, we'll be reviewing this new OAKTER Mini UPS. So let's start off with the unboxing. So there's not a lot on the front of the box other than this small blue sticker that says OAKTER Mini UPS, but on the back we have some technical specifications for the Mini UPS. The battery capacity is 2000 milliamp hours. The output power is 24 volt and power requirement is 12 volts, so it supports 12 volt devices. And the price of this is $34.90. I'll drop the price in text right here, and I got on Amazon I think for a little cheaper, so I'll put the link in the description if you want. And it's made in India, a very nice thing to see. So let's go ahead and open up the package. Using the scissors in the wrong way, but it didn't do anything. Hold up, let me just... Yes, that's better. So I'm just gonna tear that up, and it's a very nice feeling box, you know. So opens up pretty smoothly. Does it do the Apple unboxing style? Wait, let me check. Can I just leave it like that? Yep, it opens pretty nicely. Oh, so here it says plug and play. 30-second installation. So unplug the power adapter from the Wi-Fi router, connect the power adapter to the in of Mini UPS, connect the out of the Mini UPS to your Wi-Fi router. And thanks so much for your purchase, help and support, watch the video. I can just scan the QR. So some more branding here. They have smart range of products. So here we have a cable. Know what this cable is for. And we have another cable here. Oh, and it's connected to the UPS itself. The packaging is pretty good, pretty robust.
1 hour later.
Back to my online class. I had pretty important subjects and I couldn't get back online, and it was quite a trouble for my father too. So
3:28 a.m.
yes, nice. Put that out of the way. And here we have the UPS itself. So I'll keep the protective packaging on for now, and this is the on-off switch, and I think that I don't know what that is actually. It's pretty small. Mini UPS. I was thinking of getting the other bigger APC ones, but then those are kind of useless because I don't know what I'd really do with those. So I think that I see. So we unplug the power adapter and then we plug that into the in of this. So I think that's over there. Yes, it's over there. And then you plug the out of this, so that's this cable, into the Wi-Fi router, and I think this is an extension cord. Pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to quickly install this and show you how it's done. So the OAKTER Mini UPS can also power the router for I think 4 hours, which is pretty good. So this is like a power bank but with a special type of cable. Yeah, so right now I have the router right here and the OAKTER Mini UPS in my hand. We also have this extension cable right here. I have removed the plastic protection for the UPS, and the first thing I need to do to install it is to turn off the power, which I'll do right there, and now I can go ahead and plug it in. So here is how you do it. You turn the router around. As you can see, this is the power cable right there. Let me zoom in a little. right there. So you can see the power cable right there. What you have to do is unplug that and then plug it into the input of the mini UPS itself. I had to turn that off. Hold up. So this, I think, is the adapter for, so if you have a different type of power cable, you just plug that into this side and it goes in there. So you this one works just fine, so I'll just plug it in there, and the other end of the cable is over here. So you plug the same type into the power slot, and then it basically works. Go ahead and turn on the power and turn on the switch on the mini UPS. So right there, the light comes on to show that it's charging and that it's charging the router itself. We have the mini UPS right there, and it's been a few days since I've set it up, and the router and the mini UPS works pretty nicely. The power has gone out a few times and the UPS has saved the day. So that's it for today. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. I'll see you guys next time.